Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I am going to show you how can we predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So here you can see that we are seeing such a big and huge candlestick, and we know that we have always heard about that the next candle will come down if we see an abnormal candle. So this abnormal candle will work here. Why? Because there is a hidden truth behind each and every situation. So let's see what happens. Okay, so now from this point, if I get a 5-second confirmation, I can easily go and take my trade down. I need a good 5-second confirmation to go with the sellers. Okay, candle is coming down. Okay, I can take my trade here, and I know the candle will close below my entry point for sure. Why? If you see on the left side, what happened here? You can see what happened here. Candle closed exactly at the level. Candle closed exactly at the seller's area, so therefore this candle is coming down. And from this point I can again, okay, I won my trade here. So let me check the level. So again I can go with the sellers, and I know I will definitely win my trade here too. Okay, if I analyze the market here, you can see that on the left side I cannot see anything, so it means that I need to cover this area. I need to cover only this area. So therefore this candle is coming down and it will close as a bearish candlestick. Okay, it has to close as a bearish candlestick. So again I can confidently go with sellers, and I will get a good entry point, then I will go. Okay, I need this candle to go a bit up. Okay, I've taken my trade here, a very good entry point. So the next candle will also go down. The next candle will definitely go down and it will close as a bearish candlestick. Let me check the level from this point to this point. Okay, so no issues, no issues. So this thing happens in the market, but it will come down and it will go down as per my prediction. Okay, so I won my trade also here. So now if I want to take my trade here, what will happen? I need a good entry point to go with sellers. If the candle goes up, and okay, I can go with sellers here from this point. The next candle will also go down and it will close as a bearish. Okay, so as I said before, if you know the levels, mark my words, this trading is nothing but a game for you. So you need to analyze the market, you need to analyze the candlestick, you need to analyze the situation. And I always said that each and every candle moves and shows its two effects. What are these effects? The one is it can be a reversal. The second is it can be a continuation sign. So if you learn these things, you will always win your trades. Okay, so let me see. Okay, for me this candle has to come down, but it is not coming down, so no issues. Let me predict the next candlestick. Okay, you need to analyze this area for the next candlestick. Okay, so again I can go with the buyers confidently. I hate OTC because of this thing. My entry point is, for me, it is not secure, but my prediction is right. The next candle will also go up and it will close as a bullish candlestick. So let's hope for the best, but I need to see why this candle went up. Okay, why this candle went up. Okay, no issues. This is OTC market and this thing happens in OTC market. OTC market is also acting like the normal market, but it also follows the trend and levels. Remember this. OTC market also follow the trends and levels. So here I have taken my trades and I started to predict the candles from this point to this point. Okay, so how many trades I took? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and in all these 7 trades I only lost one because of my analysis. I was thinking that this candle will go down, but this candle worked as a reversal, so therefore this candle went up. So I took these trades and I won 6 of them. So this is the first 15 minutes of OTC market, and I hope you liked, and I hope you learned what I was doing here in this market. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and I will try to make more and more videos, and my aim is to give you the knowledge which you all deserve. And have a good weekend ahead. Stay blessed, take care you all. So I hope I will meet you all tomorrow with a new trading session. So take care, bye.